So hi guys, this is a video about aloe vera gel. These are the things that will be needed in order to get an aloe vera gel. Aloe vera, as you can all see, not cut yet. A funnel, a sieve in order to get those gel out of the aloe vera leaf, and a bowl. And a knife, of course, in order to cut the aloe vera leaf. So I'm going to begin now. And here we are, I'm about to begin. So I always cut the bottom out because I only get so much from that. So I start by cutting a few pieces. I'm not going to be using all of it today, I'm just going to cut the pieces that I need. And then we're going to use the foil in order to keep the rest. We're going to use eyes. In order to preserve the rest of it, just put a foil paper over it and place it in the fridge, and you can reuse it again. You guys see what the gel? Oh, the goodness. Okay guys, so in order for me to get the juice out of the leaf, this is how I'll do it. Guys, and one very important document is in order for me to scoop up the aloe vera. Be careful guys with the knife. This gel is very sweet. So that this is what for this to get out of the actual so now I'm going to use it to literally try to squeeze it. Oh, you can literally try to squeeze the gel out so that I can get as much as possible. And I'm just after squeezing for a little while, I'm just going to use it for the same. So that I can get the juice. Right back. So guys, I'm back again. After leaving the aloe vera and the sieve to sift through into the bowl for like 30 to 1 hour, this is the juice that is literally come out. So, or should I say the gel? So I'm about to pour it into the bottle. So guys, I will be doing a video to show you how I use the aloe vera leaf gel for my daughter's hair in the next video. So guys, thank you so much for watching this short video about how to make aloe vera gel. This is an easy gel to use if you want to detangle your hair, because I use it for my daughter's hair and it makes life a lot easier. In the bottle. Anyway, give it a try. Let me know how it goes for you, if it works for you. But it's working for my daughter, and this is what I use for her every week. So thank you so much for watching the video once again. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. On the air. So obviously from here, just spray it on to the hair.